What's going on YouTube? Captain Toben here, and I'm on a 44 Aquila today that Captain Shane and myself are transporting from St. Petersburg all the way up the Manatee River to this boat's new home. We're gonna set the lines and get her all ready in her new slip for the owners, and I thought I'd bring y'all along. I'm good, Shane. Clear of the port piling. We'll call that marina and see what kind of slip setup it is.
Big old red rocket.
You got a good variety of snackies.
All right, let me lay it out here for you. You don't mess around with the snacks.
Oh, dude. Great assortment of snacks.
Something specific they were looking for? Like,
Just RPMs and stuff. Cruising out of Marine Max here. Captain Shane at the helm. Got to roll out of the St. Pete Beach ICW, across Tampa Bay, and then up the Manatee River. Alright, so Shane's up there at the helm driving. Since I'm acting as the mate and not driving, now that we're on plane, I come down from the fly bridge and I'm just checking everything, making sure everything looks secure, nothing's gonna move everywhere. Obviously we checked everything before we left the dock that nothing was gonna move, but once you get up going fast on plane, it's always a good habit to do a walk around the boat. Have your mate go walk around the boat and make sure nothing's loose or nothing's gonna fly anywhere while you're underway. Pulling up to the Structure C bridge, then we'll go around under the Terra Verde bridge into the Sunway Skyway channel, across the mouth of Tampa Bay, and into the river, the Manatee River. I will say, all these big Aquila Power Cats have so much room up here, not only at the fly bridge but down there at the cabins. Super comfortable up here, doing close to 20 knots, just cruising. Not a bad gig, huh, Captain Shane?
Not terrible. Could be worse.
Yep. Alright, just cruised under Structure C there. Gotta make this loop around the channel here, under the Terra Verde bridge, and we'll keep on running. Trying to be back here in St. Pete around 1. About to go under the Terra Verde bridge right here, and approaching here, going along Terra Verde right here. The snow wake zone's pretty big. It's a few hundred yards long. It's not necessarily because of the bridge, it's because the pilot boats are right here. Those are all the boats that go out and get all the cargo ships that come into Tampa Bay, and those boats are on a concrete seawall. So they don't want you rocking those boats around, so the no wake zone coming up to Terra Verde bridge is pretty long. Cruising out of the Skyway channel right here. Running past the Skyway bridge. And then we're heading across the mouth of the bay, over there somewhere, to the mouth of the Manatee River. Get her to her new home. Cruising across the mouth of Tampa Bay here. Got a heading straight to the Manatee River. That first channel marker coming in. Got to run all the way up the river to a marina right here. Coming up on the first marker here, channel marker coming into the Manatee River. Gonna turn off autopilot, stop nav, go to the wheel. About there now. We called the marina, we know what slip we got. Should be starboard side tie on a floating dock, so nothing too crazy. Shane's gonna grab the fenders out, start getting set up for a starboard side tie, just so we're ready to go way before we even get into the marina. Okay, so made the run up the Manatee, pulling into the marina right here, but before I get all the way in, Seato's passing me. Before I get all the way into the marina here, I'm gonna check my gears because I was just in forward gear, just running for close to 2 hours. So I'm just gonna bump both motors in reverse separately and make sure they go in gear, which they did. And then I'll also turn on my bow thruster and just make sure that's working too. Probably won't use it a lot, but good to check just in case I get myself in a pinch where I need that thruster. Yeah, it's right behind that other 44. Oh, there's 2 more 44s over there on the right too. Floating dock right here though. All these, and those docks over there on the right are set docks. Maybe ask this guy where K11 is.
K11? Right here?
I'm gonna tuck in right past it, like behind that sailboat, and then come back to it.
You got a good line of sight?
Not really,
Not really?
just kind of feeling it.
Try to 10 feet to the tender.
All right.
You're good, like right about here on the stern. Yeah, I got your stern tied off.
All right. She is on the dock just as it starts to rain. Got line set, fender set. Everything's good to go. So, successful transport down here to the Manatee River.